Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's delve into the concept of drift uncertainty, its calculation, and how to implement it with code. This will be a comprehensive guide covering the theory, different types of drift, estimation techniques, and practical Python examples. 1. Understanding drift uncertainty. Drift uncertainty refers to the uncertainty introduced into measurements or calculations due to the gradual, systematic change in the performance or characteristics of an instrument, sensor, or process over time. This change is referred to as drift. Why drift matters. If we don't account for drift, our measurements become less reliable over time. This can lead to incorrect conclusions, faulty decisions, and inaccurate predictions, especially in applications where precise and consistent measurements are crucial, example scientific research, manufacturing, environmental monitoring, navigation. Distinction from other uncertainties. Random error. Fluctuations that occur randomly around a true value can be reduced by averaging multiple measurements.